How to add, import, and manage contacts inside your Zapify.io sub-account. So go to Contacts from the left sidebar. To add manually, click Add Contact. So for example, Samantha de la Cruz. Add email address. Then contact number. Then click Save. So here makita na to ang contact details ni Samantha and pwede po na to siya ma-edit. And this side, kita na to ang conversation na. So here na-add na to sa contacts Samantha de la Cruz. Makita na to siya sa smart list. So next, to import in bulk, click Import and upload a CSV file with your contact list. Click Next, then upload, and then click Next. May sample kani. Then confirm, start bulk import. So view bulk actions. Makita na siya diri ah. Then you can use the search bar or filters to find and manage the existing contacts.